Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I did this necklace, and if you want to see that video you can watch it here. Today I will make an emerald green set of earrings and a bracelet. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! For this project you will need ear hooks, head pins. These are 45 millimeters long. You will need jump rings, a toggle clasp, emerald green rondelles. These are 6 millimeters and 4 millimeters metal rondelles with some stones in it. I will start by making the earring pieces. And the first thing I'll do is to cut the head off from the head pin. Then I will take my round nose plier and I will make an eye on it. Now I will start to string the beads, and I'm using one green rondelle and one metal rondelle and another one like this, and then I will cut the head pin off and make a loop. Like that. And now we're going to make 6 of those. Now when you're going to make the little last bead on the earring, you'll need a shorter head pin. And you put the bead on. And you make a loop again. Now they're done. Now we will put the earring together. The first thing we will do is to open the end loop. Like that. And you put the last bead on. Like that. And then you close it again. Like so. And you take the next part open that one and you put the second one on, and then you close it like that. And then it's time for the third one. You see, it will be quite long. Now we're going to put the ear hook on. Take a jump ring. And you open it. Put the ear hook on. And then your earring. Then you just close it. Now it's closed. And that's our first earring. Now we will start to make the bracelet. And as you see, I put the beads here in a pattern that I like. And it's the same as the earrings. I'm going to start making them in groups. these first two, there's no rondelle in between. So that's one group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 groups of beads. So let's start making them the same as you did before. You cut the head off the head pin and you make a loop. And you start putting the beads on. This is the first group. And the head pin. Adjust the length. And then you make a loop. Now when all the groups of beads are done, you're going to put the bracelet together. We're going to start with connecting the beads. And you open it, and you put the next group on, and then you close it. You continue to do this until you get to the end. Now, when you put this together, you're going to put the clasp on. What you do is you take your jump ring, and you open it like that, and you put one end of the toggle lock on, and you put the bracelet on, and then you close it. Then you take your next jump ring and you do the same at the other end. There you go. There's your bracelet. And here's the earrings.